Greetings to you. I hope you're well today. It's Gary here from Cryptocurrency Community Network. I've got something exciting today, and that is a new project. Well, it's not a new one. It's a project that's been around for a while, but it's been revamped, let's just say. And it's a special project that's attached to the trucking industry. Now, on the various types of trucks throughout the world, there's so many types of trailers, but the majority of them have these special legs on them. And on those trailers, when a trailer is dumped, a truck pulls away and dumps its trailer, that's when it needs to rest on its legs. Now, the driver has to crank up the handle and drop the legs, and causes injuries and all sorts of things. So this company has designed this tool that drops these legs automatically with a cordless tool, just like a drilling machine. And now they've been running it for a few years. They're testing it on various trailers throughout the world, actually. They've got some amazing clients behind them. But now what they're doing is they've integrated in that tool the software to link up with the blockchain and mine a cryptocurrency, their token, their utility token. So it is absolutely clever idea, first of its kind. And with regards to the crypto industry, this particular project has got so much meaning behind it. It's saving injuries, it's saving truck drivers' lives at the end of the day, and it's eco-friendly in many ways, and it also generates a currency that is going to be donated to those to the injured truck drivers in a special community, kind of like a charity type community. But these guys have worked all their lives truck driving, and they've got these injuries that have come through after so many years. That happens to be there. Now, I did give truck driving a go. I drove in the UK for nearly 3 years, and let me tell you, it's hard work. But there's a lot of sort of technology now that we can have a look at why these injuries are happening, and this tool is not only going to do its job, it's going to halve the time for the truck driver to drop those legs on the trailer, and it's going to mine this crypto. This crypto is going to be paying out and making donations to the injured, and it's going to collect data, wherever you're from, tomato, but this data then is analyzed, and we can see how much the trailer was, what the initial weight was, how was it laid down, was it a comfortable, was it a bang, the place of loading, the place of deposit where it was dropped off. So there's a lot of tracking and a lot of information that's coming out of this tool that companies can use and monitor their fleet of trailers. So there is so much behind this project, and it's just begun, their blockchain token side of it. So I would suggest get on board. Again, one of those projects that have just crossed over my desk, only a few days old, and it's in its ICO phase. So there's private offerings at the moment. Purchase what you can. You can only purchase and get on board via a referral link, and you'll find the referral link on this page or in the description. So use that link, please. That'll be great. Purchase your coins. They do take crypto for purchasing of the coins. The coins are stored on their central base until they've got the new wallet, phone wallet app that's going to be launched soon. So we'll be able to store the crypto on there. But hey, this is a project that is just exponential. I mean, there's millions and millions of trailers in the world. So for this company to have this tool, to test this tool for a few years, and now to integrate a tokenomics behind this cryptocurrency to help pay the drivers for their time and for their work and for their effort, donate to the injured, create data that's very valuable for management, for workshops for all kinds of things in the trucking industry, and to reduce truck drivers' effort of injuries as well. And it's an amazing tool, so I would suggest get your hands on it. And if you follow the series behind this one, you will see the CEO talking about the tool, talking about the company. So just follow on, make yourself happy, or go to the page that I've created, and there you'll see all the videos. Watch them all, click on the button, get going, get started. It's something you cannot ignore. So happy to be on this one. Get going. There's various time frames of the coin offering, and as it goes up in time frames, the coin is reduced as well. The circulating purchasing quantity of the coins are reduced, and the price goes up. So get on as soon as possible, catch the next price, because it's still very, very cheap, and this project has got a lot of potential. So wish you luck. Great to have you on board. Sign up with the links below. So see you on the inside. Take care. Bye-bye.